Examples of probability 1. Example. Suppose we throw a dice once. 1. What is the probability of getting a number more than 4 digits? 2. What is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 4? Solution. 1. Let E be the possibility of getting a number greater than 4. All the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and all the favorable outcomes E are 5 and 6. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes is equal to E is equal to 2. Therefore, P of E is equal to P of number greater than 4 is equal to 2 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 3. 2. Let F be possibility of getting a number less than or equal to 4. All possible outcomes is equal to 6. All the favorable outcomes F are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes is equal to F is equal to 4. Therefore, P of F is equal to P of number less than 4 is equal to 4 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3. From the above example 1 and 2, we get P of E plus P of F is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Equation 1, where E is the possibility of getting a greater than 4 and F is the possibility of getting less than or equal to 4. In equation 1, F is equal to not E. We will denote them by not E and E. Therefore, P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. That is, P E plus P E bar is equal to 1, which gives us P E is equal to 1 minus P E bar. In general, for any event E, it is true that P E bar is equal to 1 minus P E. The event E bar represents not E, which is called the complement of the event E.